In this video, we will learn how to use subtotal function in Excel sheet. The subtotal function can perform the various calculations such as sum, average, count and more. So let's get started. Let's say you want to calculate the sum of cells amount. Click on the cell where you want to subtotal appear. Now type is equal to and enter the subtotal, and you will see the list of function you can use. Each function has a number associated with it. For summing up the values, use the number 9, so that type the 9 and then select the range of cell you want to include in the subtotal. So first enter the number. So I want the sum of this data, so I enter here 9. So here if you want the average of this data, then enter here 1. So I want here sum, so here I enter the 9. Then use the comma, then select the range of cell and just enter. So here you see the subtotal is get calculate. Now suppose in this my data have a filter. So I use here the first filter. I select the full row, press the shift space. Then I use the shortcut key for filter, shift control L. Then I just bold this total amount. Then I select the only cell phone. Here the total amount C 6,80,000. When I select the only one product and click on OK, the total amount of the product is 6075. I select the second product. The total amount is as 1,54,000. So this way the subtotal is showing the only selected product. Okay, suppose here I am using the filter, but sometime if you hide some data, that time what get result. So I show you. Suppose I remove this filter and I hide something data here. Total amount, total subtotal is a 6,80,000. Now I hide this data. Okay, just right click of the mouse and click on the hide option. Here I hide some data. When I hide some data, the subtotal is not changed. It's showing the same as before. But when I use the filter, that time subtotal change according to product selection. But here not changes anything showing. For that, if you want to see the changes when you hide data something, so then you can use the different function in subtotal. So I just first unhide this data, right click of the mouse and click on unhide. Okay, then I remove this formula. Then again I use the is equal to subtotal. Okay, then here you see the 9 number function is a sum, same as just drag below down of this list of function, and here you see the 109 sum function. Just click on it and select it and use the comma and select the range of cell and just enter. The same sum amount is get. Now when you hide something, suppose I hide to 5 to 9 row number, right click of the mouse and click on the hide. Here you see the amount will change accordingly. So these function numbers gives the result for selected visible data only, whether you use the filter or hide some data. But number 9 function only gives the result of filter data. Okay, if you hide data, it's not give the result visible data. Okay, So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.